Just got to the garage.
Just got to the dealership. They finna do some paperwork real quick, write up everything, and then they finna get started, man. Can't wait, man. The car sound horrible right now. I'm gonna throw some clips in there for the before and after, so y'all gonna see. But yeah. Go ahead.
She looking real good.
Gotta get them gloves real quick, man. We finna take the exhaust system out the truck real quick. Cuddle over here. Some cats, man. Cats went bad. He said he still got to write it up real quick.
Well,
Paperwork.
let's put it down so we have the exhaust out.
Oh, I see them tips, man. Big tip.
Big tip.
Hey, they don't know too much about this part right here. Why you coming over here being nosy for?
I'm coming over here being nosy.
Another dude at 3-inch.
They don't know about that.
That 3-inch piping all the way back. They don't know about that right here.
What is he looking at, man?
Huh? People being nosy.
People being nosy. Check your nose.
That was the last one.
Yeah.
Last
Look
one.
at that.
Are we missing a clamp?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I think there's one in the box. Probably. So, man, I'm so excited, man.
We done
Whole
lost
different
power.
sound. Lost power
Couldn't
with
do
the
no
cats going out.
burnout.
Barely do no burnouts, man.
Couldn't do donuts.
Nothing.
Crazy.
The sound just sound like a damn vacuum.
Lawnmower.
Lawnmower. Hell no. Time to get them shits cut out.
It's straight though. Bruce
Straight,
finna
though.
get back right.
What? It's gonna be so loud. I can't wait, man. Can't wait. It's been so long.
Yeah.
this whole time, bro.
Wow.
I had a leak, and I'm missing a bolt up there, man.
Yo, that probably just happened over since you've been driving it,
Yeah.
bro. Like you hit something or bottomed out and tore off the well, man. And them bolts is from them motherfuckers putting in the new.
Let's see what that dance is.
Say what?
So, you cats in. This how we looking so far, man. This how we looking so far. Yes, sir. Almost there.
It smells funny, bro. Is it to clean it up? That's so.
Ty, let me know when I can come over there. Later. Yeah. It's funny as hell.
I'm gonna take it off in the moment. I'm gonna loosen that up more.
Yeah, it's on. You almost had it. There you go. Almost had it for a second. That one first. Maybe put it on and then we put it up. Yeah. Oh, I can't get up. Is that good?
We can push it down some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got an idea.
sir.
Shit gonna be so loud.
There you go.
We're gonna have to get, when that shit tighten up, it should be good, but we're gonna have to get some bigger donuts, bro. The silicone stuff dries up real fast, bro. I'm alright. It's not. Did we do this backwards? Should the big one be on top?
Because it was harder last time.
The big one on top or the big one on bottom?
Big one on top. Big one on top. Okay. Not really holding it.
Yeah, not really.
Yeah. Kind of weird. So we got a clamp right here, and when you tighten these up, it'll hold it tight. And we just order some. Measure this shit and order some more. Nah.
When you tighten it up.
Nah, look at the wheelbase. A little angle, but we can move this around some more. It should be straight, bro. Just wanna check it. Bro, you got a sink around here?
Yeah.
So stupid. You ready for the start? Oh, ready? How much would that job be?
Check engine light.
Shit, you scared Jedi.
Jesus Christ. You heard that fucking pup just now?
Hey,
Oh my god. What's scared?
that dude that moved out the way, he moved the fuck out of the way.
Oh my god. You heard them pops?
Yeah. Shit
That
crazy.
shit sound crazy, boy.
Yeah.
Damn, it
And that
sounds so
shit,
good.
that shit took a little bit more over an hour because we had to
We ran into some kinks, dinks and
with
shit.
the
Kinky
fittings
dinks.
and shit. You know, they make that shit look all pretty, but the installment is not pretty.
Aftermarket parts, man.
But that shit, hey, I can't even talk. I'm letting that shit speak for itself. Amen. Hey, that shit crazy, but that shit loud. Full performance, it feels so much better. So much better. We riding good. Bruce is back.
Feel way better.
Way better.
Especially with the cats, too.
Yeah, man. Think so.
Alright, gang. That's it for the video, man. I'm gonna throw a little bit of clips in there, the before and after. I hope y'all enjoy the video.
Make
What
sure
you think,
y'all.
babe?
Hold on. That shit. I already told them what I think. That shit. They heard what I think. Like speechless. She roaring right now. She roaring.
She sound great.
She sound amazing. She feels amazing. Like everything.
Feel back to brand new.
Yeah.
Whoa, hold on. What this is right here?
Oh, this a tunnel? This a tunnel?
Oh my, you heard that pop?
She farting.
Farting about that bitch.
Dang. Okay.
Sneaky.
Yeah, we gonna come back with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.